our first video that we are shooting on one of the many models houses that we did a total renovation. We did exterior paint, roofing, windows, sheetrock repair. Now we're painting the interior. Y'all go ahead and step into this living room area. We have recessed lighting in the living room. Opened up this wall here, get more sunlight to the kitchen. Install double doors with the blind inserts on the back deck. And we're about to put in our new cabinets and hot water heater. Really nice project. It's coming along pretty fast. We come down here, we expanded one of the rooms. This was a 4-bedroom house, but now we turned it into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We expanded the master. If you step into this room, you'll be able to see. We expanded the master bedroom and doubled the size of the master. And right now we're rolling on the light gray paint, which is one of those colors that everybody loves right now, either light gray or small or tan walls. And it is coming along really nice. We upgraded all of the tubs, put a walk-in shower into the master bedroom, new toilets, like I say, a total remodel. It's going to get brand new floors and everything. Take a peek in here at the master. It'll be a walk-in shower, small vanity and toilet. We have the whole team. The team is here. Painters, the home team, do complete total remodels. Excellent guys, and they're masters at what they do. Right now you're seeing all the walls are primed and ready for paint. We have the owner that's decided at the end to upgrade the windows in front of the house. We upgraded all the windows in the back of the house. We're going to do some new windows on the front side of the house, but it is looking good. It's primed and ready to go. Ceilings have been sprayed and everything is looking great right now. Our next project we're working on is also a 16 by 16 deck that we're building. We're going to add on today. The guys are here putting that together. So we brought material in so we can get the deck installed. And it's going to have bench seating within the deck so that you can entertain out here right outside of the kitchen. And like I say, once again, it's another project by the home team, and it is looking great, and we're excited about it. And so far, our customer is really happy with the project, and we're only 2.5 weeks in.